Alright guys, so we are doing this really cool video today, and as far as I know, nobody else has done it, so I'm quite eager to do it. Now, I am going to title this video Guess Who Makeup Tutorial, and the ideal of this video is for y'all to guess who I am following in this makeup tutorial, who I am acting like. I want to start off by saying that I am not making fun of this person. I absolutely adore this person and I love watching their makeup tutorials and their videos. So this is just a little fun video that I wanted to do because, you know, we got so many tutorials and everything else that we do. I figured it is time to cut loose and let's have a little bit of fun. But I do want to say one more time that I absolutely adore this person that I am copying, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. And if you are interested in watching it, let's jump in. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, today what we are going to be doing is we are going to be finishing up our eyes and maybe our lips, who knows, we will see. Bitch, let me tell you, I have got some brand new makeup, and of course it is nothing but the best for me. So we will pin this back and we will get started. So, of course, you know I just come out with my very own eyeshadow palette, and I hope everybody is enjoying it. Nate, honey, I'm doing a video. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump in. So, since we have got this mess back, we do not want to get any makeup into our hair. Let's get started. So I have already done my foundation. I have already done most everything except for the eyes and the lips, and that's where we are going to start off with today. And guys, let me tell you, I have been so busy lately, and I have just got home from vacation. So since we have already primed our eyes, we are going to go ahead and start with our eyeshadow. And of course, y'all know me, we have got to go all out for this. So of course we're going to start with our transition shade, and of course, you know, nothing but the best, Luxury. Oh, bitch, I see you. And we are going to go in with a little bit deeper shade. So, now that we have done our transition shade and our crease shade, we are going to deepen out that outer V. And of course, the infamous palette right here. This is my palette, and I hope everybody is enjoying it. We are going to use a shade in it. Nothing but the best. And we are just going to deepen out that outer V because we want to look snatched. Because this has got to look snatched. We have always got to look our best. Oh my God. And let me tell y'all, bitch, pigment. Hello, pigment. Now that's what I'm talking about, girls. Of course, you know my palette is made from the finest ingredients. I have flown to Italy, to France, to Greenland, to wherever else, but I have nothing but the best ingredients in my palette. Now is the part where we blend until our wrist falls off. And this is a must. Oh, honey, you are looking so sweet, so delicious. All right, now let's make these lids shine. And I always apply with my finger because that is where you are going to get the most pigment. Oh, honey, the gods are smiling on us today. Nate, honey, I'm doing a video. I will be with you in a minute. Oh, the shimmer gods are shining down on us today. This is looking fabulous and snatched all the way. Okay, ladies. Now let's kill that lower lash line. And of course my high-end palette, if I'm not using mine. Now, girls, for my favorite part, before we do our liner, before we do our mascara, we are going to be doing some frosting. Of course, one of my frostings, and honey, let me tell you, this can be seen from space.
Hi, Space Shuttle.
Ready, space? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh yes. Oh yes. Now let's snatch that nose. And of course the Cupid's bow. Okay, now that is my absolute favorite part. Alright girls, now it is time for our liner. Okay. Hey, pigment. Ooh, I see you, liner. Now, for those lashes, we are going to curl. Not the exercise. Okay, now we are going to coat those lashes because they are just naked right now. Oh, hello. Oh my goodness. You know, lashes just make the look. Hello, beautiful. I was wondering where you were at. Now, ladies, we are going to do these lips. And of course, mine are just so big and full. This is one of my favorite parts. But before that, you know we have to spritz, ladies. Make sure this is set in so it does not go anywhere because I am very busy. You know, I was using this eyeshadow palette the other day and it says that it was supposed to be extra pigmented and I was using it and I was like, huh, bitch, where? That's why I choose to use my own cosmetics. And of course, you know my favorite color is pink, so we are going in with a pinky nude. And now, honey, we are ready to face our day. The shimmer gods, the makeup gods are smiling down on us today. I do look absolutely stunning, and I know y'all do too if you followed this tutorial. So, don't forget, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to do that before you leave. And of course, everything that I use today, you know, is approved by me. And don't forget to hide the shade and don't spread it. Bye. Okay, guys, I had so much fun doing this video. Another thing I did want to tell y'all, I got sent something to review, and I would like to know your opinion on it. Pink. I don't know if they ran out of blonde. I'm not sure. But, I mean, I really do. I really do want to try it. I've never had a color in my hair, and I don't know if I've ever used Garnier. I'm pretty sure that I have, but I would love to know if anybody else has used Garnier before I put this stuff in my hair and go pink. It is called Smell the Roses. But before I put this in my hair, tell me if I should not do it. If anybody's tried Garnier and their hairs fell out or it's turned orange or whatever the case may be. I think this is a very daring move, but I think I am going to try it. I do wish it was temporary, but you know how that goes. I mean, that's what hair dye is for. We can always go back to whatever we want, but I do want y'all's opinion on that, so don't forget to put that down in the comment sections. Also, like I said, the person that I was copying in this video is somebody that I really adore and I love to watch their makeup tutorials, and you know, they have inspired me. So if you could guess who it is, go ahead and throw it down in the comment section. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. And I love each and every one of you. I love you all, and I'll see you next video. Bye. And like I said, this person that I was copying, the person that I was shit to have you. Oh my God, if he was ever to see this video, he'd be like, what is this little country chick doing? And that's it.